morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Annika. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So today is Monday, January 4th. So I'm going into work. Well, I'm not going to work right now. I'm going to pick up my new uniform. So I'm basically taking the same route that I go to work, but I'm going a little bit. It's closer to my job too. That's a good thing. I got some good sleep. I don't feel tired or anything, but I'm like, damn, I gotta get up so early to go get this by going forward. But we're bundled up out here. It's cold. Look at my gloves. But I see that. Hopefully I don't be in there long because we're 10:30, so it is what it is. Always some shit. This damn trains. Cut up the bus. Cut up the train. Oh. I want to be on a plane so bad. I cut up the train. And it's freezing out here. I love freezing. And I got 6 minutes. I gotta walk 6 minutes. I never went to an Ultra Beauty store before. I was up past. It was freezing on the train. I was literally getting sleepy on the damn train because it was so cold. Like, I hate when they do that. It's winter time and the trains be freezing. Like, why the hell y'all don't have heat on the train? But they got an air pastel out here. But they didn't close the one in downtown Brooklyn from a long time ago. But yeah. They got a food. I think that's a ping pong table. I think. I ain't sure. I'm not sure. Go for the sky. Go over here. That's cool. I don't know if I can see the little snow flurries, but what's that? I don't know what that is. This is what I should have came off, but they're fixing something downstairs. So. The train station, so I didn't see the exit. Else I would have been fine right here. Train station right there. Ooh, this is the heat right here. The heat vents. Ooh, I needed that. It's freezing out here, man. So I was in that place for like an hour. It wasn't that bad because people been in there before me. So. But I don't know. For everybody, I guess everybody's there for the uniform, but I don't know. But anyways, I got my stuff. What the heck? What the hell was that? So let's say my head's cold. This hoodie on my head. I'm gonna act like it's cold out here. It's freeze. Walk out to 34th Street and take the train one stop. It's like 10:15 right now, so I'm gonna be on time. Okay? Maybe a few minutes late, but not that bad. But yeah, some stuff in here. I got shoes too. So they give me 2 new jackets, 2 pants, a 4 shirt or 6 shirts, 2 tie. I think it's 6 shirts and 2 tie. So now I'm about to get hit. But yeah, so get new uniform. I was telling the lady that I feel like the shirt was too small. Like, the shirt that I'm wearing right now is a size 16. And the shirt that she gave me was smaller than that. She gave me a size 8. And I'm like, it's small. And she said, no, try it on. She was Spanish. And I'm like, miss, it's small. I tried it on. And I feel like I can remove the damn shirt. Like, oh, that's how your company won. I'm like, I can't. I feel uncomfortable in this. So I can't, like, I need to be able to breathe. I know I'm slim, but I ain't that slim to wear a size 8 shirt. Like, then she gave me the jacket. The jacket was tight too. Same size. And I'm like, oh, she changed it and gave me the size 10 jacket. I'm like, listen. I'm like, when I'm sitting down, it's like, I'm gonna feel very uncomfortable. She was like, oh, you can open it when you're sitting down. These people. But what she kept saying was that's what the company wants. I'm like, the company not wearing the clothes I am. So I'm not gonna be uncomfortable at work. I ain't trying to give you no problems, but I ain't like, how you won't give me a tight ass shirt and tight ass jacket? Anyways, I'm on the train station. I had a smoothie for breakfast this morning. The bee right here. You don't even matter, but both of them go to the same stop. It don't even matter. I'm gonna stay right here. So I'm in my new uniform. It's very nice. I'm cute over there. Let me make this meal. Hold on. I'll make a reel right now. My first time making a reel. Oh, I remember the lines. Hold on. Okay. Let me show you my new uniform. This is how you girls look looking. I just look cute with a blazer. But yeah. I'm wearing. Oh, I got new shoes too. Oh yeah, y'all can see it. New everything. See the bell bottoms? Gotta fix that. But other than that, I like it. It's cute. So I'm going to the post office because I ordered something from Lulu Athletics and I forgot to put the floor number on there. So they did this on Monday. They delivered it on Monday. And then there's a post office next to my job too, so I thought it was that one. It was that one. But it's not that one. So, and this one is like a 12-minute walk from where I work at. So it's not that far. Oh, I have the light. It's not that far. So let me go and get this package. He's so fine. The fine white man. I'm here. Hopefully they have my package. Just got here, so hopefully they can find my package. Because we was about to send it back just because I didn't have the I forgot to put the phone number on there. I don't know how the hell I forgot to do that. I got 20 minutes of my break, so hopefully I'm not here for a while. I got 7 minutes left of my break and I'm like 12 minutes away from work. Wait. I got my package, that's all that matters. Because it's been there since Monday. Today's Thursday. So yeah. Got my package. I got a car walk now because where I'm at 8th Avenue and 42nd Times Square. And I work on 6th Avenue. Supposed to be on 43rd Street though. With that. Get back out. Get back out. I'm just making sure you get back out. This is what I always see in my video when I post from all the way up there. Ooh, I like this. What I like. There's Brian Park is over there. I'm at 40th Street because I'm going somewhere. I see something on Instagram. Ooh, change this one right here. Something on Instagram. I like, so I'm gonna let's see what I want. So 40th and 40th Street and Broadway. My artist, that's enough. I thought I wasn't loud just now. This is junk.
If there's not a meeting on my calendar,
this Broadway right here. What's something there? Oh, see over there. He's over there. So. Beautiful napkin. 30 degrees. And guess what? It's gonna snow Saturday. I didn't even know that. Look, you wanna look me, sir? Oh yeah, well, I'm trying out money. 50 me. Shoot. I found the location. I found the location. It's called the Passage. See here? Yeah. They literally walk through, but I keep taking pictures right now. So I'm gonna go to the other side. Oh, this is so cool. What's up, everybody taking pictures. I be finding stuff online because I work so close to Times Square. I'm like, I'm gonna go see what's going on. They have the thing down here too. There's something right here. It's doing the same thing. Hold on, I'm pretty sure. Oh, my gloves on, man. It's freezing. Hold on. Ooh. Man, that's freezing. always here when I go. Really puffy. First though. Oh, see? The gloves are making me stop in the go ahead, Tom. This help gloves are helping my arm. I just go on Instagram and like, oh, this is nice. That's a cute pic. Like, nice. Go find this place. Like, I know that's my fault, but I'm literally by Times Square. I was like, it was like 3 blocks away from me.
Where you going?
1 block away from me. Quick for a walk. Just keep changing colors. That's about it. It's cool. Look at that. It's dope. Alright, I'm done. He's doing the same thing over and over. Take a picture of it. My phone died. Hey guys, it is snowing. So look at my nose. It's finally Friday. Happy Friday. Whew. I woke up this morning. I'm like, oh, it's snowing again. I think tomorrow is a storm. I need to hurry and get on this train. And guess what time is it? Oh, I'm not late. I don't want to miss this train. If I miss the train, I'm gonna be late. It's 9:40. I'm literally right here though. Let's see how much long I have to get on the train. I got 3 minutes. Hold on now. I gotta get this train.